Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator. And in this video, I will show you how to create new project settings in Illustrator. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Illustrator software like this. And you have so many ways by which you can use to create a new page. For that, you can come to the top right there, click on File, and make sure you click on New, or you press Ctrl plus N, and a new window is going to pop up. Alternatively, you can click on Create right here, or better still, come to More Preset right here, click on that, and this window here is going to pop up. So I'm going to close this. So if you come to the file from the top right here, you click on File, and you click on File, and then you click on New right here. You're still going to have the same window popping up right here. Okay, now how do you set up a custom project? So let's say, for instance, I'm coming to the top right here. I will name this testing project. Okay, then you have to make sure you set whether width, inches, or whatever. So I'm going to click on here. So I'm making these inches right here. Then I will make sure I set my inches to be 5 in width. Then I'm going to make my height to be 6. Okay, I'm going to change the orientation to horizontal right here, and then I'm going to create a single artboard, and then you come to the bottom right here, set up your resolution. So I'm going to put it in 300 resolution. Then color section here, you can either set your color to be CMYK or RGB. This is depends on exactly what you want to create. So I'm going to put this in RGB color right here, and preview mode. So default, just like so. So once you are done with all the presets right here, as far as your Illustrator new document setup is concerned, come down below right here and click on Create. Click on Create. So just like so, you have a new page set up in Illustrator, just like what you see right here. Then you can start to explore some of tools in your Illustrator. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.